Who is an average Ugandan? I'm not an average Ugandan.
Yeah, you are.
I'm a super Ugandan. I'm a super Ugandan.
Okay.
I'm an extraordinary Ugandan. The matrix seems unescapable.
What's the matrix?
9 to 5 p.m. jobs. That is the matrix. I finished medicine last year. I've never been deployed for it. I'm in the matrix. What do I do there?
You escape the matrix.
You escape the matrix. You have to think outside the matrix. Personally, I'm a trader.
You trade, right? You'll be trading tomatoes.
I trade Forex. I trade crypto.
The Forex guy right now with flat. This guy came back from the saucepans.
The reason I quit all the Rolex card, it was really stressing me out. It was stressing me out. I'm telling you, when KC evicted me from there, ended up selling the car to someone who started business out of it. Resorted to work, digital money.
Have you made profits through this Forex trading of yours?
I've not made a single profit from Forex trading.
How do you justify?
I've not made a single coin. Anyone. I would, if anyone had money and they were looking into starting their business, I would advise anyone against trading. Forex takes you from 100 to 0 in a week. Forex destroys careers, and I'm telling you, this is the honest truth, and I don't want to lie to anybody about it.
So why are you there, man?
Because I know.
ICT, what? Why are they in an inner circle?
No.
Like he's in Illuminati or something.
Yes. Like you're just trading, relax,
Who
bro.
is ICT?
You don't even have a picture of you.
So he
How
has
do
a
we
picture.
prove?
You put that why trading in Uganda is referred to as a scam, and I do not achieve that. There are scammers.
256 billion US dollars per hour.
They are
Which is
lazy.
approximately 5 trillion.
So most of the 5 trillion traded a day, they go to Forex trading. Managed to
personal
make
goal.
$8 million.
I don't know if that is his actually.
No site knows him. Forbes.
Okay, hi guys, welcome back to In R5. This time around it's really in
R5.
These are the guys in R5. Our special guest here will introduce himself. I don't want to introduce him. Yeah, he knows what to do. It's your host, your boy, Ian Kakoza.
And Noah Jira, as usual.
As usual. And your name?
My name is Genza Godfrey, and I'm here. I'm happy to be here with you.
Genza, what do you do? What do you study? Where do you study? Are you done? Are you a parent? What are you?
I'm not a parent.
You're
I'm a
not
medical.
a parent yet.
Not yet. I'm a medical doctor, but I have interest in economics, so I trade. In the meantime, I'm a trader.
Where did you study, Genza?
I studied from Macquarie University.
You went University Hall in what?
In
R5.
Yeah.
So Genza, how is life? I was outside.
It's outside hot.
Outside is not just hot. That is an understatement, I'm telling you. Been trying to escape the matrix for a good time now, and the matrix seems unescapable. That is what I can say.
The matrix?
Yes.
What's the matrix?
The matrix, what we understand as the matrix is basically this 9 to 5 p.m. jobs, you understand, where you have to work and live off a salary from Monday to Saturday. You have to work almost 28 days a month. That is the matrix. You understand? And when we're talking about escaping the matrix, we are looking at the plausibility or the possibility of someone being able to earn income, passive income. You understand? To earn passive income from an area of comfort, or what you can call a self-employment. You understand? Self-employment through utilization of this digitized the digitized era that we're living in. Yes. Before, when we were growing up as young kids, I don't think we lived in a digital world. You understand?
Yeah.
Growing up,
Me, I did actually.
we had decks, video decks. We had small phones. We didn't have smartphones.
Yeah.
None of us knew about the stock
Consider
market.
now even DVD players are ancient history.
That's all
Don't know why
ancient
you
history.
bring up decks. No one uses DVDs.
No one uses DVDs anymore.
Yeah.
And I feel like there's a lot of opportunity for people to actually make money in this era without actually having to. I'm not against employment. I'm not against someone doing a 9 to 5 job. But this person that campaigns for flexibility. For example, I'm a doctor. I finished medicine when? That was last year. I've never been deployed for internship. This time, you understand?
Yeah.
You have come to complain.
Yes, I was supposed to be deployed for
You're
internship.
in the matrix.
I'm in the matrix. You understand?
The matrix has stopped you from.
Yes. Yeah, and I was supposed to be deployed for internship this year. And what happens? Government still says no. My career students were not deployed and deployed from other universities. So what do I do then?
You escape the matrix.
You escape the matrix. You have to think outside the box.
So how are you escaping the matrix?
Personally, I'm a trader. I've been trading for the past 4 years.
What do you trade, right?
I trade Forex. I trade.
Because you could be trading tomatoes or
I trade Forex. I trade crypto, and I don't trade
Be a
stocks.
Rolex trader.
By the way, he was
Were you
once-
not once a
were you-
Rolex trader?
I had a business.
It was called
Not
Rolex
that you rode
by
the
Gates.
Rolexes.
Yes,
We
yes,
don't
yes, yes.
slander you.
Yes, yes,
You
yes.
are the owner of the
Yes,
guys.
I had a
Yeah,
business.
the guys worked for you.
Yes, I had people that were working for me back then. But this is the matrix I'm talking about. Because I remember that was in particular, I think in my third year, when KCCA came up with a rule to take all food carts off the streets, and my food cart fell victim as well. That's how I lost my business. You
Oh,
understand?
sorry.
I've always been an ambitious person. That is what I can say. And ambition has led me to ambition
trading.
is has its own. No,
Look at that side there. You know,
Ambition has led you
this
to
is what I
Forex
can
trading.
say. This is
Here
what
we
I
go
can
again.
support
Forex
being.
trading part 2.
About
I think we shall have very
this is
many
what I can support
episodes.
being ambitious. Ambition has upsides and downsides.
Yeah.
I opened my first company in year 1. You understand? And I think you're the one that named it. Avaz Investments, remember?
Oh,
Avaz Investments.
Yes, and I was.
What is it called?
Avaz.
Avaz Investments.
Avaz,
I
some
helped
French
you name
name.
the company.
What does Avaz?
It means assets.
Oh,
I don't
Yes,
know if
it
you use
means-
the French
Does
word.
it? I think it means
Probably
assets.
didn't.
you have to go to
Angel.
France for.
People should
What
see
does
the
Avaz
producers
mean?
first.
What does Avaz mean? Angel, what does
Actually,
Avaz mean?
Spell the Avoise.
Avoirs.
We have internet.
It's not what you mean.
What does
Having or having
having?
Yeah.
or
Every or what?
Avoirs. That was Avaz.
it's
And what happened to Avaz
Avaz.
Investments?
So I used to deal in
To
cocoa.
have.
To have, yeah.
your producer is well versed.
Yeah. All right.
Oh,
Thank you,
okay.
producer. So
What happened to
Avaz.
Avaz.
have investments?
So this is literally my story of as a young child, and when I joined campus, this is what I realized. First thing, I wanted to be rich. That's it. I wanted to be rich, and I knew I was never going to make it through a profession. So as early as year 1, I started strategizing on how I can enter into the business world.
Ambitious man.
Yes, and that is it. And that is when I opened that first company, and I was dealing in cocoa. Trust me, as early as year 1, I used to sleep in Bundi Wujo. During my semester breaks, there's a village next to the border
In
of
year
Congo.
1?
Yes,
As people are struggling with
As-
anatomy.
I was in Nyahuka. There's a place called Nyahuka in Bundi Wujo, where we used to get cocoa
Where's
from.
Bundibujo?
Bundi
West,
Wujo.
east?
It's west.
It's
And
near Kabarole. It's near the Congolese border.
so that's why. So the plan was get cocoa from the farmers, then dry it, make it organic, then sell it to people that export cocoa in Kampala here. But unfortunately, when I left our store in Bundibujo and I came back to pursue my studies further in year 2, the person that I left in charge of the store ran away with all the cocoa. So next time I'm calling, I'm asking about the cocoa.
The
They're telling
cocoa
me there's
guy ran
nothing.
away.
The cocoa guy ran away.
Man.
So that's how
Ghana
my
businesses
company
are that
collapsed. That's how it collapsed.
Now, my question is,
Yes.
after trying these legitimate businesses,
Yes.
I have seen people who sell cocoa and make money.
Yes,
There are
yes.
people who have real estate make money.
Yes.
There are Rolex guys who have made money. Those very guys used to manage it.
Yes.
One of them, I saw him driving a car just from selling Rolexes.
Ah, no.
Wait, which one?
The manager, the main
Yeah, I know the
the
person.
UH Rolex guy.
Yes.
He has a car from
He has a
Rolexes.
car. He gave me a lift. I met him sometime. I
Okay.
don't know where I
He
met him.
gave you a lift.
My Rolex
The
guy
Rolex guy gave
me
you
a
a lift.
Yes.
Okay.
So these businesses that
Yes.
you've quit
Yes.
are legit businesses. They
The
make
Rolex
money.
guy gave
Yes,
you a lift.
yes.
A Rolex man can make a lift. You've
Yeah.
seen the other Rolex guy in one day.
Jib makes
Jeep
a lot of money.
delivers through Glovo. He
Yeah.
has employs 20 people. He delivers all over Kampala.
Yes.
You could be doing that. So what made you think Forex trading is the way to make money?
No.
I can't point to a
First
single
rate.
successful
Talking about Rolex.
Forex
actually,
trader.
Actually, Rolexes are very hard business to start. I know a friend who started up the Rolex. He got a guy from he got some kid from they always call in
By
the
the way,
East
by the way,
Basel to come.
before we go too far with the Rolexes, for our foreign audience, Rolex is a street food in Uganda. We're
Yes.
not talking about
That's
Rolex
Rolex
watches,
watch.
yeah.
We don't eat. We don't,
we don't eat
metals.
watches. Yeah, so go ahead.
So he called that guy from from Eastern Uganda. The guy came, what, he started working for him, gave him a store, all capital, all that stuff. The business was moving on smoothly until one day he woke up.
What happened?
He woke up, the Rolex guy ran away with his capital and fla.
No.
Why did he buy muffler?
And those why did after the Rolex, he doesn't know how to do Rolexes. For him, he had started up a business.
Yeah.
And he decided to keep his saucepans and his
Yeah.
sigiris and whatever the stoves somewhere.
So I
The
feel
Rolex
like
guy
that is
came back
that's
for
a
the saucepans.
Yeah, the
no.
frying pans and stuff.
That is one of the biggest challenges in when it comes to business in Uganda. As long as it's running through our hand, that is
You can't
not
go
really-
everywhere.
as long as it's not just about chapati business, it goes into taxis, into borders. If you are having a business idea and you're not managing it, let's say you bought a border and you loaned it, you gave it to someone to do the job for you, there's a high possibility they're going to get away with it, they're going to run away.
The border guys.
Yes, they run away. So the challenge with making business in Uganda is that if you need to manage the business yourself, you understand.
But resilience is a thing.
Resilience is a thing, but the reason I quit having that Rolex store or the Rolex card, it was really stressing me out. It was stressing me out. I'm telling
do
you,
you mean
I love resilience, but it was stressing me out because I remember when KC evicted me from there, I took it to MOOBS. I tried to negotiate for a space to start a business, but there was too much bureaucracy, too much politics. You could not get a space there. So I ended up selling the car to someone else that did business out of it. And since then, I've resorted to what? Digital money. I'm now a Forex trader. It's not an easy task.
Not an easy task.
It is not an easy task.
You gave up. So
Have you
easily.
made profits through this Forex trading of yours?
I've not made a single profit for Forex trading.
So how do you justify your investment into this? How do you justify?
I think when it comes to things like Forex trading, it's about passion. It's about passion. I started trading as early as year 3. So it's been 4 or 5 years since I started trading. And I can tell you one thing, I've not made a single coin. In trading, I've not made a single coin. In fact, I would advise anyone against trading. Anyone.
Oh, wow. I
Anyone.
thought you would be like last time's
No.
Forex traders.
Pan trader or something.
If anyone had money and they were looking into starting a business, I would advise anyone against trading because the market is a very harsh place. It's not a place, people come into Forex with they have this mindset, get rich quick. You understand? They think they're going to trade for a month and they'll have a Lamborghini the following day. Forex can end your life.
Is there a possibility to make money there?
Yes, there's a big possibility to make money.
So
I
why
feel
are
like
you
there's
not
no
making?
possibility.
Our
5 years
assumption-
are so many.
Our assumption is, sir, you're
Yes.
a smart man.
Yes.
You did the MBCHB, those
Yes.
are 2 degrees at once.
This
Yeah.
guy was
Surgery
the
and
best
medicine.
in his school from senior 1.
You are the
Senior
best in
6.
your school.
Yes.
From childhood.
He was on government.
eh?
Actually.
You are government sponsored.
Yes.
right?
Yes.
You got A's in medicine and whatever.
B's and what?
And B's, you
Yeah,
got
yeah.
high CGPA. So you're smart.
Yes.
And you've been
He
trying Forex
Yes.
trading
Yes.
for how many years now?
5 years.
Don't you
Yes.
think
And you've
it's
not made a
unbeatable?
single coin.
I've not
So
made.
why do you say there's an opportunity to make money? Explain.
Because this is what I think personally about the Forex market.
Look at Noah listening. The way he's so ready to listen. he's all in disbelief. He can't believe.
Actually, and I'm being honest.
Oh
I
my
would
God.
advise anyone against Forex trading. I will not advise anyone to put money to
But
Forex.
you're continuing for
Yes, but because listen, this is a market for only resilient people. This is a market that is going to test your mental strength, and most people are not patient. They lack the mental capacity to handle losses. They lack that mental capacity. Forex is one business that can get you commit suicide, by the way. If you didn't know, I'm telling you, and I'm being
First
honest
repeat
here.
that again.
Forex is that one business that gets you to commit suicide in a month. Forex takes you from 100 to 0 in a week. Forex destroys careers, and I'm telling you, this is the honest truth, and I don't want to lie to anybody about it. People
So
think
why are you there, man?
because I know I've gotten better with time. When I came into the Forex market, I used to trade weird strategies, Fibonacci. I used to trade chart patterns, weird things. People in the Forex market are basically gamblers. Most of them are gamblers. They don't know what they are trading. They don't know. They don't know what drives the market.
So Tell us what's the real strategy.
What is the real strategy? So now this is what I've found out with Forex with time. If you want to trade anything on the digital market, digital assets, Forex, stocks, bonds, whatever equities, cryptocurrency, you need to be well versed with macroeconomics in the very first place.
What is macroeconomics?
Macroeconomics, you need to be well versed with things like inflation. You need to be well versed with things concerning inflation. They want to be well versed with what else controls people, things like let me tell you just a major view
Give
of
us
the
an
US.
overview.
An overview.
Okay,
An overview.
macroeconomics have become
So,
macroeconomics.
when you look at macro analysis of markets,
Let me
if
first Google it.
yes, first
Yes,
Google.
you go ahead and
Yes.
talk as you
So
go ahead.
if I enter the market, most people, this is what most people do. Ugandans are lazy, first of all. You know, Museveni, our president, His Excellency, I need to accord him with a title. The reason I accord him with a title is I'm a born-again Christian, and recently I had Apostle Grace say we should accord our leaders with respect.
Of course,
and
you have to
he
respect
usually
everyone.
says
I don't
Ugandans
need
are
to
lazy.
be a born again
And
to
I
give
used-
respect to someone.
Yeah, we are respectful.
You guys are
Yeah,
giving,
respect.
giving angel headache. Listen, so the president says we're lazy people, and he's right. Why? Ugandans come into the Forex market, and this is what they want. They want to buy signals.
Okay, macroeconomics is a branch of economics
Yes.
that studies the behavior
Yes.
of an overall economy,
Yes.
which encompasses
Yes.
Encompass.
Yes.
markets.
Yes.
Have you not lost track of the definition?
Markets,
Okay.
businesses, consumers, and governments.
Governments. Okay. I think
Yes.
we have macroeconomics here.
So,
It's
this
it's
is-
a cost unit.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's a
It's a cost unit. So this is why Forex is hard in Uganda. And I'm going to give you why I think Forex can still be a profitable area in Uganda.
I also give you reasons.
You
why
also
it
gave me your
is-
reasons why why you think it is going to fail. But this
why
is it.
it will never work.
Ugandans are lazy. Ugandans are lazy. If Angel wanted to trade today, Angel is going to come and
Angel is the producer, ladies
yes,
and gentlemen.
the beautiful
Those
producer.
waiting.
So she's going to come and
David-
she's a beautiful producer.
Okay, yeah, she
Yes.
is. We shall drop her picture. If she consents.
Yes. So someone is going to come and they want to buy signals. You know those things. They don't want to analyze the market for themselves. They just want to tell them when to sell and when to buy.
And signals.
And signals. And that's how Ugandans are scammed. They don't want to learn the market
Forex
themselves.
trading is a scam.
You get, and that's why people think Forex trading is a scam. You get, I've not seen a trader in Uganda that has really convinced me that they're not trading. There's one trader though that I think he has made money, but not entirely through trading. He's just good. He's a good marketeer. He has marketed his image, and yes, I've attended some of his live sessions. He makes some money,
You
but
went
not
there?
all. No.
Oh, live
On-
sessions on
YouTube.
internet. Yeah,
You get.
yeah.
But not all the money he has made is through what? Through trading. So I've not seen a trader in Uganda that has really convinced me fully that they understand what they're doing.
So where are
Me
they?
have not seen
Me
a
have
trader
not seen a
globally.
trader globally
Globally.
who can convince me.
We have many traders globally that
Tell us.
are people like Yusuf Trader. Yusuf is from the UK.
Yusuf.
You
Forex trader.
you
Yusuf Forex trader.
Yes, you can look
From
at
Yusuf.
Yusuf.
Is he a
Yusuf.
Muslim?
Yes, he's a Muslim. He's from Somalia, but he's based in the UK. You can look at people like Ali Khan.
Yusuf Lule.
It's not Yusuf. I just know one name of Yusuf. You get?
Yusuf trader.
Yes.
UK.
He's in the UK.
I thought I'm deleting. Okay.
You understand? And
Yusuf trader UK. Yusuf traders. I see Mombasa, Kenya. No, this one's trade real stuff.
guy,
there's the one
you're
on
so-called-
the one you saw with that X, that one.
This one?
Yeah, that one.
On Twitter.
Bro,
Yeah.
your so-called successful Forex trader doesn't even have a knowledge panel on Google. If I searched, right now, it's possible even
We can only
Eddie
find him
Kenzo
on
has a
Twitter.
knowledge panel
Yes, yes.
on Google.
Yes.
It's very possible.
I
might have,
Hey,
even
you don't know
I
about
might
that
have a
one?
knowledge
This
panel.
trader one.
Yes, he's a macro analyst.
Economics and politics graduate.
Yes.
Macro analyst.
He's a very good trader.
But he's doing a lot of stuff.
Yes,
He
but
might,
he's a trader.
his money might be from something else.
No,
And
he's actually
he's
trade-
not describing himself as a
Forex
Forex trader.
trader.
He's a trader. He's a macro analyst. You can see from that.
Maybe. What if he's a stock trader?
He's the founder of Trader One. Trader One is like a platform where traders meet. It's a trading group for traders. You understand? And people like him, people like ICT, who is the god of all traders, in my personal view.
ICT.
Yes,
He's a god.
He's
Why
the
is he
god.
called
No, I
ICT?
don't think he
He's
is.
called ICT because he's the engineer, he's the brain behind the ICT strategy of trading.
What is ICT?
Mama, why are these people anonymous? They're like Satoshi Nakamoto. ICT, what? Yusuf X. I do not know.
But listen,
no knowledge
listen.
panel, no
I was,
credentials.
I was
Okay,
explaining.
ICT.
ICT has a YouTube page.
Trader.
No, just
They have
Google ICT.
YouTube.
See,
The inner circle trading.
No, if you could
It's
just-
called
why,
inner circle
why are they
trading.
in an inner circle?
No. ICT is a short form.
Look at this sign. It's like he's in Illuminati or
Yes,
something.
that-
Like you're just
ICT.
trading, relax,
Who is
bruh.
ICT?
ICT is the god. Personally, is the
Bruh, you
best
don't
trader.
even have a picture of you.
No, he
How
has
do
a
we
picture.
prove?
You could check his YouTube. There's a
Refers to
picture
Michael
by
Henderson.
Yes, Michael.
Huddleston.
Huddleston.
Michael.
Huddleston.
Yes, that is
Who is a
ICT.
successful forex trader? He claims.
Yes.
So let me Google this guy. Me, I don't want these things.
What's
He wrote
his net
this
worth?
himself.
Yes.
This is his website.
Self-described.
He's self-describing him on
Yeah,
inner circle
you haven't
trading.
listened as to why. My point.
But me, I know one trader, one forex trader, one friend
Yes.
of mine.
And I was still explaining
ICT
why.
is weak.
I was still explaining why trading in Uganda is referred to as a scam, and I do not argue that most traders in Uganda are thieves. They are scammers, and that is the truth. They are scammers. They live off by selling signals. They live off by lying to people. Yes.
Zia
Okay.
was born on 10th November 1952.
Yeah,
Is this
that's
the guy?
Yeah, that's the guy.
But he's an American actor.
No,
What's going on? Eh?
This is not
He's
the one.
acting.
no, Michael is not an actor.
This one is a different one.
This is
That's a different.
So still, he's not even the most famous Michael Huddleston.
I was still. Let me
What's
explain.
going on here? Where is your successful forex trader?
ICT is
Yusuf
Oh,
successful.
he's there.
Yusuf is
They
successful.
look at the website.
Yes,
Which
that
knows
is
him.
him.
Net worth column.
Why isn't he on Forbes? Eh?
He's on net worth.
I know the rich business owners.
There's a certain
I can find them on Forbes.
there's a certain column you go to for net worth people.
Yeah, Bloomberg. Why is he on some random site? I'm trying to
Look at
understand.
him
Is he
in
really
New-
successful?
He's
Yeah, he's a
not.
successful
What's his
trader.
net worth? How much?
For
money
$8
does he
million,
have?
they claim on net
Eight.
worth column.
How much? 8.
$8 million.
Just 8.
$8 million.
And he thinks he's successful.
Yes, he's successful.
That's not successful.
Do you know how much money moves in the forex market?
Every day.
A lot of money.
Eh?
A lot of
Tell
money.
him
But
the
listen,
amount.
How
listen.
much money? Well, it was in $1 trillion.
Yes, how many?
It was around 256 billion US dollars per hour.
Okay.
Yeah. So do the math. How much money? You can continue telling us.
This is
about
what
it.
I was explaining about when it comes to the landscape of forex trading in Uganda. Why it is tricky. Most people don't know. You get most people, most Ugandans, and that's the truth. They are lazy. They are
It is
lazy.
approximately 5 trillion
So
US.
out of the 5 trillion traded a day,
Yes.
your bro in all his years of trading,
The
he's born in
best-
the 50s,
the
goat of forex trading,
That
has
is my
managed
personal
to
goal.
make $8 million.
I don't know if that
In
is
all
his,
his
I don't know
years
if that
of
is
life.
his
No,
actual
no
net worth.
site knows him. Forbes doesn't know
Okay,
him.
but
Bloomberg doesn't know him.
let me
Only
explain.
net
Let me
worth column.
explain.
Let the man
Let me
explain.
explain why trading in Uganda is grumpy. Yeah.
Even elsewhere, you
No.
need to defend them. across
I've
the
told you the
globe,
first
not
thing is
just-
Ugandans are lazy. They love things that are given to them on a silver plate. You understand? You understand? You remember all these scams of invest 1 million, then you get twice the amount per month. You know all those scams.
Yeah.
That is why
Ponzi
most
schemes.
Ponzi schemes. That is what Ugandans love. Even when they come to trading, that's the same thing they love. Because the market is really hard to understand. So what they want is, if Kakoza is the trader, they want to give him their money to trade for them. But Kakoza is a scammer. You understand? A month later, Kakoza
Is that an
disappears.
accusation?
No, it's not
No,
an
no, no,
accusation.
no.
I'm just giving.
I'm
giving
secure.
An,
I'm secure.
I'm giving an
I'm not a
example. You
scammer.
understand? So
Yeah.
that's how forex traders in Uganda are. Most of them, they are scammers. They live off scamming people's money. They sell you fake signals. They sell you.
So-
Most traders in Uganda that actually have money have not gotten it through trading, but rather through selling courses and selling signals. And that is why most people think forex is a scam, because actually the truth is the market is a hard place.
Me,
It's a
okay,
tough place
okay,
to really understand.
okay.
Yes.
Me, again, let me repeat this again as I repeated it in Forex Trading Part 1.
Yes.
So, me, I think, like, I think this Forex trading is tough. The market is so tough. What
Yes,
what
yeah.
do you mean by tough? Unpredictable?
No, it's not about
Because it's predicting when to buy and
the
when to
market.
sell.
The market's not a random place. That most people get it wrong.
Tell
Most
us
people
what it
think
is.
that
It's not random.
It's not a random.
Tell
I
us.
think
not
it's random.
The
It
market
is
is not
chaotic.
random. The market is run by an algorithm.
Run by an algorithm.
Yes, the market is run by an algorithm. The interbank price delivery algorithm, what we call the IPDA, is what controls the market.
So what are the inputs into this algorithm?
Usually the inputs...
Are they not random inputs?
They're not random inputs. There are places, the input data that the IPDA uses. The market is not random, it's controlled. The market is controlled.
So is this a conspiracy?
It's not a conspiracy, it is the
real
truth.
So if someone controls it,
yes,
that means they control who wins and who loses. So you have no agency
in the market. You have no edge. Why are you in but you can beat them at our own game.
Let me ask ChatGPT.
Yes.
Can you Forex trade?
So the market... The market is
an error. Okay.
So I was explaining the market's not a random place, and the market is run on an algorithm, and that algorithm has data, input data. So sell stops and buy stops, or points where buyers and sellers are most likely to put their stop losses when placing what positions. You understand?
Yeah.
And that is so the market, when the market is moving, it's seeking for two things: liquidity and imbalances. So it's not a random thing.
Oh, you are saying it in a layman.
Explain liquidity and imbalances.
Liquidity is let's say I'm entering a long position. You understand? A long position means I'm buying. Maybe I'm buying crypto. Maybe I'm buying stocks. Maybe I'm buying Forex. I'm gonna put a stop loss. A stop loss is what protects me against extreme losses. You understand? So I'm gonna put a stop loss below a support zone, maybe, or below the point where I entered my buy position from. You understand?
Yes.
Now the market is going to be seeking for liquidity at that particular area, because most traders, when we enter a long position, all of us are going to put our sell stops at that particular area. You understand?
Yeah.
And for the market to generate liquidity, it's going to come and activate those sell stops into active market orders and then run away.
Exactly.
Against us.
But in that entire process you've highlighted,
yes,
I do not see any manipulation.
The market is...
It's just a system. Of course, there has to be a system.
Yeah, it is a system.
In the background that manages all the inputs.
Yes.
But you are the people who put your stop losses there. You do your analysis.
The market is manipulated. You understand this year when you saw when the Japanese yen was falling in value, you understand? And there was an intervention by the Bank of Japan itself.
But those are news,
There weren't even news. The Bank of Japan itself intervened.
Yeah. The bank announces those interest rates, so you have the same advantage as other people.
But my point is, the market is not a random place.
I've asked Meta AI, because GPT servers are down.
Yes.
I asked it, can you Forex trade? So Meta AI is like, I can't directly execute trades, or provide real-time market access. Meta AI.
Yes.
But I can offer insights and guidance on Forex trading.
Yes.
Okay? Here are some ways I can assist: market analysis, trading strategies, currency pairs, risk management, education, and please let me know I can assist you with Forex trading. For it has said
Meta AI is scared Forex trading.
That's why I told
with billions of
I told you in the very first place, I would not advise anyone to trade. And that's the honest truth, because you don't have the mental capacity. I've told you this is a place that can destroy you. Forex can destroy you.
Have you been destroyed?
Yes, I've been destroyed. What would I'm speaking with experience.
When you're buying, then they take away that money.
Yes.
They take away the stop losses.
The market seeks for
stop losses.
The market, when the market is moving, it seeks for two things: liquidity and imbalances. Those are the two things the market's always seeking for. No matter the commodity you're trading, it is seeking for two things: liquidity and imbalances.
Meta AI again has said that I can't predict Forex markets.
You cannot. The market, the
But
Forex market.
Why? Okay.
The Forex
So
market.
how do you make? Since
The
it can't be
problem is
predicted, how
people,
do you claim to make money?
Yes, that's the challenge. People come into trading and think this is not gambling. This is not a game of prediction. You're not predicting.
So what are you doing if
you must analyze? Analysis.
To end with the conclusion that
you analyze when you analyze.
When I'm betting in sports betting Africa,
I also
analyze the
what
goes on a bench.
We are looking for the difference.
Okay, so I'm going to I'm going to make my technical analysis.
Still analysis.
I can do technical analysis on teams.
Yes.
There are odds
after doing my technical analysis, I'm going to do macro analysis on top of that.
I can do macro analysis. Look at the general table in the Premier League and know, Manchester United needs this more. Its players, the manager is under pressure. Blah,
Another
blah, blah.
one.
Move on.
So so when I do my micro analysis, I'm going to come up with a conclusion. Okay? That this is the place where the market is going.
Similarly,
I can also
in
say-
sports betting, I'm
Yeah,
like
yeah.
over. I don't know 1.5, whatever. I don't know
No,
those terms.
people. When you look at the chart, this is what I'm trying to say. When you look at you can upload that forex chart there. People just see red and green candles. You
Tell us
understand?
your preferred
me,
site.
I
What's
can-
your preferred site?
You can look at tradingview.com.
TradingView.
Yes.
What's
Wait,
Trading
wait.
View?
You can just
I've ever used Trading View.
just look at TradingView. It has very nice charts. You understand? People see. The only thing people see is red and blue candles, red and green candles,
Some of us don't see
and
that.
they think, they can enter from anywhere.
No, you can't enter from
No, that's what most people think.
But still, even
When
if
they
you
see
enter
red
from-
candles, they think it's time to sell. When they see green candles, they think it's time to buy. And I think the problem with the forex market in Uganda is we lack the energy, we lack the zeal to study. Personally, I've been studying macroeconomics of recent, and it's really challenging. Trust me. I've aggregate demand. I'm hearing terminologies I've
Euro
really
USD.
never heard of. You understand? You can
The charts are here.
Those are the
Editors
charts.
picks.
You can load
top
one chart.
stories. I want to load one.
You go to products. I think you go to market
Market.
up there.
Up there. Here. Market.
Yes.
Products.
No. Go back to the other page that was showing markets. Are you using ChatGPT for all these things?
No.
Okay.
I had just
Go to markets there.
markets.
First
Yeah,
wait.
It's
Don't
still
don't
loading.
click.
It's loading.
It's loading.
Yeah. I'm
Okay.
just editing
So
this.
go ahead and explain.
Oh, I think it has gone to YouTube. Trading.
Just
Oh, this thing.
This host.
The tab is right
The
there,
host.
bro.
The host.
Host, are
No,
you
no,
not
the
technically
thing is
literate?
crashing. Let me do this.
So when you go to products, you look at that's tradingview.com.
Community.
Now go
Let's
to
go to
products.
Forex.
Okay, first go to products.
Oh,
Don't click. Just it's gonna bring super charts. Click on super charts.
chat.
Yeah, it's gonna give at least. It's gonna give you a
Even
chart.
using the website needs a PhD now.
PhD in Forex trade. It's here.
Okay, so you can look at
Okay.
those are Apple.
This is NASDAQ.
This is NASDAQ. Is this NASDAQ?
I'm seeing it there.
It's
NASDAQ.
Apple. It's Apple. Apple is listed
Apple
on
is
NASDAQ.
listed. Yeah, these are Apple stocks.
Stocks.
Yes, these are Apple stocks.
This is
Okay, let's assume it's a Forex because it's almost
No,
the
you
same thing.
you can come down here. You see where the plus sign up there on the watch list is.
I had
you
that
click
in
plus.
Indeed, you are a Forex
Then
trader.
you can put in here. You put in EUR. Just
Euro USD.
Yeah, just put in Euro USD. You can look at
You guys have traded
That's
Euro
gold,
USD.
that's gold.
No, even if we just
You
need
put
a chart,
Euro USD. Add on a USD. Those are
Okay.
futures.
Euro
Futures are
USD.
different from FXs.
The second one.
You can take
Owanda.
any.
Let
Yes,
me
the
use
second
Owanda.
one.
You can
Here
use
guys.
all those are brokers. You can
Owanda
use
is
any.
Okay.
So and I think they are bringing you a chart.
Actually.
Okay, now you scroll because you've added it down here.
Yeah, you have to.
Not on stocks. And
No,
not on
it's down
indices.
here. It's down here.
That's a
Yes.
stock.
You've added it on your watch list.
First,
Yeah, yeah.
deselect stocks.
We can even look at NASDAQ. Anything.
Anything, even Netflix.
No, look at those indices. You look that you put in
We can use that chart.
Let me
This
show
is
you.
the Apple chart
Okay.
because it's still a
So,
candlestick chart.
you put in. Let me type for Euro USD. Then you just punch it in.
USD.
Euro USD. Just punch it in. Just on the screen. Just type. It's gonna come.
Okay.
This is what I'm saying. Where is Euro? Where is U?
Oh.
Then USD. It's gonna come. USD. Put in a USD. Then click on it.
Let me click on
Just click on it.
this one.
Yes. It's okay.
Owanda. I will delete the laggings.
So this is our daily chart. What do
Okay,
you
yeah.
see? So what do you see on this market?
So what I see on this market.
Yes.
Where to see?
No, what do you think? What's your analysis? What do you
I
think?
would
The
have
market?
to
I'm seeing
move to a higher
there
time
was
frame
a
first.
possible.
That's a daily time
a
frame.
daily
Daily.
time frame.
Yes.
I would like even a month.
You can go to a month. You can go to a
Move
month.
to a monthly
You go
time
here where D is.
Let's
click,
go
click.
to a month.
Slope down.
5 minutes. What? Let me use this.
Slope
This guy
down.
is also
Yes. You go to a month.
a month.
Monthly time frame.
Okay. So what do you see?
What do I see in the
Oh.
chart?
Yes.
I
I
see
think
the
it's
the market is ranging
Yeah.
around a certain level.
Yes.
Yeah, and it's not really breaking through. So
It is consolidating.
It is
Yeah,
good.
it's a
That's a
consolidating-
nice
that's a
time
proper
it's
term.
used.
So
It's a
I would
consolidating.
guess.
Angel people spitting bars here. I'm telling you, people spitting
But
bars.
tell us, you as the pro
What do you
trader,
see?
what do you see? Like,
I'm seeing the same thing you guys have seen. It's a
Yeah.
consolidation.
Yes.
So,
That's
how
the
do you
first
make
step.
money
How
here?
do I make
Where
money?
is the money?
All right, so this is our monthly chart, right?
Yes.
We can look at
You can stand up. It's a touch screen.
It's a touch
Yes,
screen.
yes.
Alright,
You can
so-
even magnify.
Can even make
Yeah.
hey, guys, this is too much technology. All right, so
Uh-huh.
that's too much magnification.
I got it. Yes.
I'm trying to zoom out a little. So
Uh-huh.
this was our month
Yeah.
of July, I think. This is
July.
a July candle, isn't it?
August is not yet done.
This is August. It
Yes.
has just begun.
So the August
But you can
has
look
been
at the
in,
market.
in bullish
And the market has been what? The market has been
Consolidating.
consolidating basically.
Yeah.
for almost since 2024 started.
You understand? It's been what? Consolidating. So, but when you
So
look
we-
at when you look at this, I'm gonna look at this candle right here. This is going to be my basis. When I look at this candle, sweet Jesus.
Leave the mouse.
Okay. So this was my candle for July. The market swept. You see, so you see this high, this previous high. What sits there is what we call buy side liquidity.
Buy side.
Buy side
Buy
liquidity.
side liquidity.
So
What is
there-
sell
there-
I
side
feel like
liquidity?
these guys come up with words.
With what? Just to confuse us.
Because
us.
you know, I watched some ICT videos.
Yes, yes.
They use some different kinds of terms meaning
Yes.
the same thing.
Yes.
Fair valuation gap. What do you call it? Liquidity. You call
Okay,
it
so
what,
let me give you something simple. Okay, something that we can all understand.
okay.
Right now, a Nasdaq is trading. Okay, so we can look at the chart, all of us together. You click in US 100. Here, US type in US 100.
US
100. Okay, so we're gonna take this one.
Okay.
Okay, and if you look at US 100, basically US 100 is Nasdaq. Nasdaq tracks the performance of many
So let me go in
companies.
a moving
Just
chart.
Yeah.
100
5 minute
companies,
chart.
isn't it? No, you can first look at it from here. This is a monthly. This
This
is
is
five
5
minutes,
Yeah.
right?
I think US 100 is different from.
Well, but they move the same.
But there are
Yes.
companies.
So,
listed on the
yes.
Nasdaq
Dr.
list.
Gens,
Yes.
what
What
you are
is it?
doctor right now?
Yes.
I think who's this
Yeah,
guy?
it's an ad. You can. There's always a sign that's gonna come. And
Why are they advertising? I thought they make money.
because
Through
you're not
Forex
a member.
trading.
Personally, I'm a member.
Guys are broke.
They don't even let us look at charts. But
Does it
illustrate as
Yes.
Ian
I
figures
was
out.
going to illustrate,
Yeah.
and but now it's
It's covering.
Have a seat.
covered.
Have a seat.
so.
Sir,
So this
sir,
is what
sir.
I was.
Sir.
I need to show you on the chart.
Let me just what?
Reload. Okay, that's nice.
So that's the ad goes away. Okay.
You think? Okay, let's hope.
It's gonna go away.
It's gonna
So
go.
my issue with most traders is that
We are there.
when you look at this chart, you put for me the 15-minute time frame.
15 minutes.
We can actually, when you want to analyze a trade, you want to start from the day, it's a top
You
down
traders
analysis.
say all those things, but you don't.
But
make
we don't
profits.
make any analysis,
So
and you're not
start from the
profiting.
daily. Start from the daily.
You've
Start
seen
from the
10
daily.
time frames.
No, let me just show you something. Let me show you something small, then you proceed.
Okay.
Start from the daily time frame.
Daily time
We'll
frame.
start from there. Yes.
Okay, daily time frame.
Yeah, and I show you what personally I think. You understand? So this is one day.
One day.
And we can see that the market was basically in an uptrend, isn't it? Was forming series of higher highs, isn't
Higher
it?
high,
higher
higher
highs, higher lows, higher
Higher
highs,
lows.
higher lows, isn't it?
You have
And
terms for anything. Go
Then,
ahead.
A high,
Personally-
a higher high is a high when it is
Yeah, so
rising
this
up.
high
It's in
is
bullish
higher than this high.
uptrend.
this low is higher than this low, so it's a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and that is an uptrend. You understand?
High,
But now
low.
you
A
can
friend of
see
mine told me to look for a
that the
grand
market,
candle.
the market has been selling, isn't it? But where has it been the
It
market
has been selling in
Yes.
15 minutes.
Oh no, this is a daily time frame. But I can show you why.
In
why
60 hours.
Yes. So where has the market been coming? The market has been coming into this imbalance. I don't know how to use this thing.
You can.
How do I use it?
Same as on your phone.
No, it doesn't work.
No, you tap,
Mhm.
then leave it.
I tap
Oh, we can give you a mouse.
rectangle.
No. Just leave the.
I
first
used a
wait.
mouse.
I'm used to a mouse.
Oh, it's here.
Give him a mouse.
Okay, I think. Okay, whatever.
Okay, so this is what I was trying to show you. And
First, choose the rectangle.
this is
thing.
my rectangle right here.
He's going to draw rectangles on the chart.
Wait,
I don't know how rectangles make you money, apparently, but it's a thing now. Drawing rectangles on charts.
They have drawn that rectangle. That joins from one side to another side.
On charts.
So what does that tell us?
Okay,
It's like
so the market has been selling on the daily time frame until it hit this imbalance. This is an imbalance. What do I mean by an imbalance? You look at these three candles, 1, 2, 3. The market bought continuously without selling, isn't it?
Those are three white soldiers.
So no, not even what's
That's how
now.
you
Those are chart
identify them.
patterns. Those are people that trade candlesticks. I do not. But if you look at this candle, no.
You believe candlesticks are useless.
Are useless.
But you're using candles to look at
I
sentiment
believe
right
people
now.
that use candlesticks as a trading strategy are fools.
Okay, go
They'll
ahead.
never make any money.
They are what?
They are fools. That's the honest truth. You cannot use a candlestick as a trading strategy.
Okay.
But if you look at this candle, the third candle,
eh.
all right? You look at it, there's a space right here. Are you guys seeing it?
We're seeing it.
So that space is what we call a buy-side imbalance, sell-side inefficiency.
So
Meaning
what
that-
does
Why did you name it that?
Meaning that the market bought
To make life difficult.
but never gave, the market did not sell. There's an inefficiency.
you mean a space between the first green candle and the second
And
green
the third-
candle?
and the
Okay,
third one, the space
assume
between
we've
the first and the
understood
third.
that.
The first and the
Next
third.
step.
Yes.
The
Next
first and the
step.
third.
Yes, there's
So
a
that
space.
candle in between.
Yes.
You name it what?
This is a BC. There's a space here,
Ah.
which you call a buy-side imbalance. sell-side
There's no space
inefficiency.
there. There's a candle.
There's a space. What do I mean?
Eh.
The higher high, the higher high of the first candle is not overlapping with the lower low of the third candle.
Okay, let's go back into the basics of that. If you are selling, if you are selling,
Yes, yes.
that means people were
People are
buying,
buying.
buying,
Yes, buying, yes.
Then they stopped somewhere.
What's in that
Then
sentiment
they
shows the
ended.
imbalance.
Then they continued to buy.
Yes,
Yeah?
yes.
So,
Yes.
what are you trying to say? This one did not sweep. What
There
does
was no
sweeping
sell
mean?
side. There was no.
If
Do you
if
speak
the-
another language? What's
I'm
this
trying
lingo?
to show you what I was saying by market six liquidity and imbalances. You look at when the market was selling. Where did it stop? Here. It was delivering sell side into this imbalance. And once it tapped into this balance, you see the rejection. It was rejected immediately and started to buy. Are you seeing what I'm saying? So it's not a predictive thing. It's an analytical game. You look at the market that it has been bearish, selling. But where was it selling into? You must know that, okay, there's something called...
So wait a minute.
Yes.
Wait a minute.
yes.
Are you seeing here?
There's an imbalance here.
Are you seeing here? Let me also tell you. Are you seeing this red candle?
Yes.
This is the bearish candle.
Yes,
Yeah?
yes.
So, are you seeing that observation you've made there?
Yes.
Yeah? Do you know why this candle wick has gone all the way this side? Eh?
Yes.
Is that many of you observed that? Eh? You said the composite man was taking out the what? The stop losses.
Yes,
after
there
this.
was
Because if I was Genza, if I was Genza, even some other guys, you know, this knowledge is everywhere. Someone
Yes.
named that, came up with a rule, and if everyone follows it, it controls the market. Because everyone is making such entries and stuff. So you observed this, they came here, and you guys will call it manipulation or whatever it is.
Yes.
Why is it happening at that very point? Because you guys, you are the composite man.
We are not the composite man.
You are the
You are the
composite
composite
man.
man. You're the reason why at that point things are acting
What?
that way.
The
Why?
market
Because- no,
doesn't have
listen,
any background
what you're not
algorithm.
understanding.
Algorithmic
It is
bias,
random.
eh?
It's
The
not
market is
random when you follow the same.
I was
algorithm.
explaining.
You, all of
So
you,
this is
are
what
like
I
a
was
flock.
explaining. You
It's
were not
called a
like a
sheep
flock.
flock or sheep.
You guys are not
In
understanding.
the baby
Yeah.
pips,
I've
it
told you
talks
the
about
algorithm.
it.
The algorithm. The interbank price algorithm. The IPDA.
Interbank.
Interbank price delivery algorithm is going to move the market in two places: liquidity and inefficiency.
Me, what I'm asking, the algorithm, who's doing it? Who's making it?
It's controlled.
Who?
It's like an AI. You understand? It's an AI.
Get the first sit down here. We shall continue.
I was about to show you a very good trade here,
Eh.
which you can take without gambling, but rather just by analyzing.
We don't give financial advice here. Sit.
We don't give financial advice. But anyway, I was going to show you. So,
yeah.
but anyway, so you see, but analyzing this chart is not enough. Is not enough. For example, fundamentals. That's where I'm coming. Fundamentals are the greatest key. If all you do is technical analysis, you analyze the chart and then you think, okay, now I'm buying while I'm selling, you're a fool as well. And I'm sorry to be
How
blunt.
many fools are those now?
Forex trading. And who is making money now?
If you think all you ever go
Just
to
don't get half the
No.
strategies
Have
now.
the strategies,
if you think
all
all
of
you ever
them
go
have
to
it.
do is to sit on this chart,
Okay, let me tell you what you
Yes.
call an algorithm, or whatever you call it,
Yes.
an algorithm there. So me, it's people buying and selling. You guys, you're talking about the IBD.
We do not
Yeah, can you even explain
do
what
not-
an
we
algorithm
do
is
not
and why that
control the
exists?
market.
No. What do you know what I mean by controlling? You're not the one putting in the effect, but if 500,000 people with $300
Yes.
buy or sell,
They
there
will
will be
not.
an effect.
They will not push it up.
There will be an
They will
effect.
not push it up.
Okay, if I use
So let me
a-
ask
a
you,
small
Yes.
what
number-
is that chart? This is a
Those are
candlestick
people.
chart. That chart
Those are
represents prices.
Yes.
And the candlestick chart specifically is showing who is buying, who is selling.
Who is
All those
selling?
candles
What
are
is the-
printed by the algorithm.
Yes, they
Yes.
are.
Let me tell you, even if you got 1,000 people and all of you went and bought a GBP USD, you would not cause it to
1,000
rise.
are few.
Even if you got
Because there are
10,000,
six-
even if
So
you got
basically,
10,000
million
people,
US
Since buying and selling
it doesn't move
doesn't
the market.
move the market,
Yes, it doesn't move the
that
market.
means that this is not a market.
Yes.
A market is
So then
buying
Forex
and
trading
selling
is a what?
is a scam.
It's a scam. So if
You might as well be trading a synthetic index.
if you say
Listen,
if you
buying
say
and
So
selling
you
doesn't move the
you've
if
market.
you
confirmed
say-
for us.
Yes,
Yes.
thank you.
It's
if
a
you
scam.
say
Yes.
these are not really
That means
people
it's
buying
gambling.
and selling,
No.
then it's a scam.
No, listen.
Someone is
My point
finds out
is-
that these guys are going to buy. He changes the candlestick. You look for your fair valuation gap and the
No,
space and the
the
ones you don't
market,
look
you
down.
guys
makes
are not
money.
You measure
understanding.
the area.
The market does not respond to buying and selling pressure. It does not.
That's what
The
So what
market
is it?
responds-
So it's not a market.
Though it's not
Guys,
random.
guys,
The
I
market is
see
not
this
random.
candle,
Yes.
We are in the daily chart.
Yes.
In a day,
Yes.
sales
Yes.
were more than.
The algorithm delivered that cell into this imbalance. Swept the
No,
cells
first
and
listen.
it-
First listen to this.
Yes.
First listen to this.
Uh-huh.
For this one candle to form and all those weeks.
Yes.
That means people were selling
Yes.
for 24 hours mostly. Okay, there were more than what?
That
the
candle
buyers.
is made of prices.
One candle. So to create
Those are four prices
to
of
create
that
a full
candle.
chart,
Yes.
we shall get like how many hours are in a week? That's 1 week. Every candle here is a what? A day.
Every candle
Right?
there is a
Yes.
Those are 24 hours.
Yeah.
So that means in 24 hours, it's like 18 hours mostly, or 20 hours, people were selling. Not what? Not buying. So when you add those hours, the days, it will create a what? A chart.
I think
so.
this
I don't know
candle,
what you mean.
That
literally,
is wrong.
that candle is
Yes.
prices.
That is wrong.
This is the price.
That is wrong.
That's the price. It's
Yes.
the lowest price of the day.
Yes.
That is the closing price of the day.
Yes,
That is wrong.
etc.
That is what
there are
most,
four prices
no,
here.
That is what
So
most.
if that is wrong, then this chart is a lie.
listen,
Therefore,
why
listen,
I
I cannot
know it's
trade.
That is what
It's
most-
a
Why would
scam.
I be trading?
I tell why are you trading?
No,
Why
listen,
don't I go and
listen.
bet on running horses
And
and dogs?
My point.
At least
is,
I can see which
No,
dog
listen.
looks healthy. That's not a scam.
This is
Can
what
you
I'm
see
trying to
if
tell you.
the-
This is what I'm trying to tell you. The market, you just have to understand it. You just have to understand it. Where is the algorithm going? Where is the algorithm driving the price? It's not you buying.
But you don't have a copy of the algorithm. So
No, but we know what the algorithm does.
you know what an algorithm is? It's a set of rules.
Yes, it's a set of
Let me
rules.
show you. When you have an algorithm, basically what it says is, in these conditions, do this. In
Yes.
these conditions, do that.
Yes.
etc.
Exactly, and
So
that's how
if
the
there
market
is
is. set.
an algorithm
Yes.
that does market manipulation,
Yes.
and it's not being updated.
Yes, no, it's
Do
actually
you know that,
updated.
that it's very simple for you as a statistician to just go into that chart, do analysis, discover the rules. But despite all the analysis you traders have done,
Yes.
no one has discovered the rules. Your most successful trader has a net worth of 8 million.
That's why I was telling you about.
Do you know the net worth of the most successful stock trader, Warren Buffett?
Yes, yes.
Warren
Did you hear the news of Warren Buffett's
He sold,
Berkshire
he sold
Hathaway
50% of his
of
Apple.
Berkshire
Yes.
Hathaway's
Yes,
assets?
yes,
Do you know
yes.
what 50% of Berkshire
It was
Hathaway?
around, was it $75 billion?
75.
Or to 75?
$275
Yes, $275 billion. Yes.
What?
That's half.
Yeah.
So
What?
that means Berkshire Hathaway, before this
Berkshire
sale,
Hathaway.
held
Guys,
assets
let's see these people.
worth
Where have you put
more
them
than
on? Where have you put them on?
almost more than
Let's give me that.
$500 billion
Yes.
worth of assets.
Yes.
ICT trader, the GOAT
Wrong
of
mouse.
Forex trading,
Yes.
has a net worth of 8 million.
Yes.
Warren Buffett,
Wait a
the
minute.
GOAT of stock trading, has a company that controls assets worth $500 billion.
Yes.
So, and his net worth, he owns a certain percentage of that company. His net worth is 130
30 billion
So,
US
why
dollars,
don't you go and we had to look for ICT where? Yusuf on
No,
X.
I think Geza's knowledge
You
and
see where
all
we
this
got Yusuf?
enthusiasm,
Yes.
with stocks, he would be a rich man.
You would be a rich
Enough
man.
capital.
You would be the Warren Buffett. Where are you looking? Your role models don't have
Even
knowledge
you no longer,
panels.
you guys have made losses.
Look
You
at
no
that
longer
man.
believe in chats that
man,
they are real.
That
No,
man has donated
no.
so much money, but he's still one of the richest people in the
Noah,
world.
Noah.
Why don't you want to be
No,
rich?
listen.
Yes.
These guys
Eh.
have really suffered in forex trading. They no longer believe that the chat is real. They're like, that's the
The chat
algorithm.
is fake. There's an algorithm making a fake chat. This is how bad it is.
This is how
Me, I believe the chat is real, but I believe analysis is hard. It's
Okay.
easier to analyze and pick
Okay.
stocks.
Meta-
Read
eh,
company
listen,
financials.
Listen,
Yes.
because right now we're having a stock crash in the US, isn't it?
Yes.
We're having a stock crash, and what began the stock crash?
I do not know. I've not been keeping track of financial news.
Yeah,
I'm
because
not a
Yes, you
trader.
can tell us.
Tell us.
Because Japan, Japan has been having like zero inflation. I don't know how they were able to manage it for a good time. So because they were having zero inflation, close to zero inflation
They
in
have
their
very,
country,
very
they had
high
negative
interest
interest rates. They had negative.
Oh, negative.
Yes, they even had negative interest rates.
okay.
You understand? So what many US traders were doing was, for example, if there's a central bank in America that is willing to give you a loan at 5% interest rate, but then there's a bank
Japan,
that in Japan
which
that
has
is
negative.
yes. So
interest.
where would you get the loan from? Japan.
But what I don't understand, sorry guys, what negative interest?
Yes.
So they give you money if you borrow.
Let
They
me
add you
explain.
an interest.
I
No,
think the inflation was so low.
It was so
that
low.
means there's little money in circulation.
Yes.
You taking money from them, they are so happy. They're like, have more.
Yes.
So,
exactly.
There's less money in circulation.
Yes.
So if you take money
But I
from
know what
them,
caused this.
they are so happy they even add you more.
What
That's
caused this?
negative.
Last I checked, their interest rates were so high.
No, I was
They have
still,
a
I
funny
was
take on
still
inflation,
explaining why
Japanese
the
central
stocks
bankers.
why the stocks
ahead.
are crashing in America as well as the banks in Japan are crashing. Is so traders in America, what they are doing is they are taking loans from Japan. If you took a loan from Japan that has a lower interest rate and you converted that loan into US dollars and then invested that money into treasury bills, notes, or bonds, you would make more money. You know, treasury notes
Yes.
and bills,
Yes.
then also bonds, right?
Yes.
So basically,
Yeah, I don't know.
Government issued.
government
Bonds, yeah.
bonds.
Like the government basically
Yes.
issues a document when it wants to make up like for revenue shortfalls.
Yes, yes.
And then you buy this
Uh-huh.
this certificate and you give them money, so they use that money as revenue.
So
to
people
fund
were
the
getting
economy.
loans from the Japanese bank. They invest it in US stocks as well as treasury bills, bonds, and notes. So because how this profitable it was in that if your bond or your bill or your note or your stock matured, you could get profit, go back to Japan, pay off your debt. You understand, and remain with extra cash. And the good thing was the Japanese yen was depreciating in relation to the what? To the USD.
Yeah.
That means at the end of the day, you could pay back less US dollars for the same Japanese loan you took.
Those are the
So you
fundamentals.
would take a lot of money. Now, recently, what happened is the Bank of Japan suddenly wakes up one day and inflation starts in Japan. The economy is crashing, and what do they say? They raise interest rates suddenly. So when they raise interest rates, what does that mean?
right now they're
That
around
means
0.0
whatever money you took from the
0 to
Japan,
0.25.
yes, from whatever money you took from the Japanese bank, you're going to need more US dollars to pay back that loan because now the interest rate is what? Is higher.
They say the Bank of Japan raised
Raised the
interest rate Wednesday
Yes.
to about
So,
0.25%.
Let's say you had taken 1 billion yen as a loan, and maybe when you converted it into US dollars, maybe it was 6.5 million US dollars. Now, because the Japanese bank has raised these interest rates, for you to pay back that 1 billion yen, you may now require 7 million US dollars, but you don't have it. You're already having a deficit of what? 500,000 US dollars. To make matters worse, because people heard, okay, the interest rates have hiked, people started selling off stocks so that they could what? Pay back their loan. Because why? They are afraid the rates can go higher. So now when you go to you bought stocks maybe in Nvidia or Apple or whatever you bought.
You sell them to make up. And
So
because
now
they crash.
now the stocks
but-
are crashing.
So now, at least
Yes.
the stock market,
Yes.
you now accept
Yes.
response to buying and selling.
But
Yes,
it's
the
a real
stock market
market.
responds to buying and selling pressure.
Okay, go ahead.
That is true.
Unlike
So,
the Forex.
now-
Unless the Forex rate, because there's a composite.
because you're going to find out that even the money that you leveraged in your stocks is now less. Why? Because you'll be liquidated. The stocks are falling. You'll be liquidated. You don't have any amount of money left for you to pay back the loan. And because you don't
bad.
have money to pay back the loan, the commercial banks in Japan are also what?
So you think because of that, Forex is better?
No, not that. The point
What are you
is,
illustrating?
my
The
illustration
point
is,
yeah.
you cannot base solely on technical analysis of stocks or technical analysis of forex.
Yes.
You need
True.
to know the fundamentals.
Now, this is
You
what
need to
I'm
know the
saying.
drivers.
For the case of stocks,
Yes.
as a stock trader, of course, I also watch all other factors, macroeconomic factors as well.
Yes, yes.
Even if it's an industry like it's semiconductors and I'm loading Nvidia stock or whatever, I know that there's a geopolitical situation in Taiwan.
Yes.
If Taiwan gets invaded or
Yeah,
whatever,
yeah.
then I need to sell off my stocks because that will affect the
Nvidia
price.
is in Taiwan.
Yes. No.
The
TSMC.
TSMC, which
The
makes most of
semiconductors,
those.
yes.
It's the
I'll
largest
first tell people what TSMC and what
Taiwan
it is.
semiconductor.
A semiconductor is.
Everyone knows what a semiconductor
You
is.
Are you sure everyone knows what I say? Ask Angel.
No, a semiconductor, everyone knows what runs your phone, like a processor or whatever. There are certain devices which we make using semiconductors, certain small devices. So we use like transistors to build gates, etc. All this is done on semiconductors, especially silicon. We use silicon. So we print circuits, etc. We use gates, logic gates. We build that.
What's this one? What's this conductor which we'll be able to use in levitating and what? That's a
superconductor.
That's a superconductor.
A semiconductor is
a
different.
semiconductor.
It just has a special
Oh, no, I had
solid state property of.
I had misunderstood. I thought you were talking about superconductor. I was
no, no,
what?
no,
There's a
no.
company already dealing in
It's
So there are
superconductor.
superconductor startups as well.
Yeah, but it's
It's a nascent industry.
yeah. But the semiconductor,
Too much science.
It
Basically
I'm
silicon.
telling you.
Okay, let's leave the
transfer of electricity is at a minimum, whatever.
Not
Conducting
necessarily.
electricity. And
Superconductors actually is there.
There's
There's
no
no
resistance,
resistance.
yeah.
Yeah, there's
Yes.
so
But
there's no loss of
semiconductors,
electric.
they don't conduct as much as conductors, but they have special properties in their bands.
Okay,
which can lead to overlaps.
guys. We
And-
have really gone into semiconductors.
Yeah.
We are out of time.
So
Let's
I'm
wrap
saying what
up
I was
with
saying
that.
in short,
Eh.
you can know what's going on in Taiwan. You can see the
Am I like
macro.
excused for a minute?
You can see the macro
no,
environment.
no.
You're not excused.
We are about to finish.
You can see the
This is
macro
an important
environment.
call.
We will finish. We will finish. Who's Athena?
Mom.
Oh, first wait.
I pick this one.
Athena is calling.
no, don't pick right
You
now.
guys
We
give
are
me a
about
minute.
to
Just
finish
give me a
in 5
minute.
minutes.
Give me 1 minute.
5 minutes.
Let me tell her to call me back later.
Okay.
Are you a Ugandan Makerere University student with a first or second upper class grade? Are you studying the following engineering courses? A Bachelor's of Science in Electrical, Biomedical, Software, Mechanical, Computer, and a Bachelor's of Science in Physics? Then here's a great opportunity for you. The Makerere University Innovation Pod, in partnership with Chira Motors Corporation, are launching a 1-year skilling program on electrical vehicle technology and associated technologies. Our outstanding participants stand a chance to be enrolled as associate researchers for Kira Motors Corporation, Africa's leading electric vehicle manufacturer. Check out our social media platforms at MarkUnipod for X, Instagram, and LinkedIn, or scan the QR code not later than 18th August 2024. Female students are highly encouraged to apply. Don't miss out. This program is brought to you by the United Nations Development Program, UNDP, Timbuktu African Initiative, Makerere University, and Kira Motors Corporation.
You guys have really bantered me on my forex
No, we are
journey.
not bad. Actually, I'm
in short,
listening. This time
Angel,
around,
in
I'm
Angel,
short,
if I ever make it in trading, I'm going to come back here and I want to banter these two. Wherever we'll be. I love to banter nowhere and
No,
here.
actually, today I've listened. Angel, haven't I been listening?
Yeah.
I've not even
Angel's
bantered
just
anyone.
rooting for you back.
No, I'm just.
But I agree with him.
Today he has listened.
And no coin.
Okay, let's continue. Let's go.
Back.
Okay,
All right.
Okay, you will conclude.
I was telling you,
Then we
stocks
wrap up.
can be analyzed. Even I can pick a stock,
Yeah.
a winning stock maybe.
That's
I just
true.
don't have the capital to buy the stock necessarily.
Yes.
But Forex, first of all, the traders claim the charts are manipulated. They think the charts are manipulated.
You'll have money one day.
When he
no
said
one-
They are
you
like-
have capital to buy,
They don't think it's a market
The
now.
producer
They are
disappeared.
claiming,
One day you have money to buy stocks. No,
yeah,
don't worry.
they are claiming buying and selling. This is not about me. I'm not a trader.
You see, the reason why most of us are not trading stocks is capital, and that is why we go for forex, because forex doesn't require much.
okay, guys, okay,
Go do your 9 to 5 job as a doctor.
And be
Go to wherever it is you're working, Mulago or
Yeah,
whatever.
yeah.
Make money,
Then you buy stocks.
then buy stocks, invest in it as a portfolio. This
Yes.
is what Americans do.
Okay,
You know
guys.
how many people in America are millionaires?
Yeah,
There's a
very
statistic.
many.
One
No,
in how many? 1 in 16.
what in
Americans.
millionaires?
Yes,
Yeah,
and
1 in
millionaires.
10, 1 in 10, 1 in 10.
1 in 10.
One, I
Millionaires,
said 1 in
yes.
16. In,
That's a good
in
statistic.
Switzerland, 1 in 7 people are millionaires.
Bruv, what's happening
They don't
here?
trade forex.
Where are you for?
Eh? They don't trade. I'm not in Switzerland. I'm in Uganda. In Uganda,
Even in Uganda, where are you for?
in Uganda, it's 1 in like 50,000. So, but I will beat the stats. 1 in 50K.
No, that's a matrix, bruv.
24.5 million millionaires live in the US. 24.5
5 millionaires. The whole Uganda doesn't even have 50,000 millionaires. So you can't be bantering me.
For you,
Are
where
a
are you for?
millionaire?
Me, I'm not a millionaire.
Thank you, Unipod.
Thank you,
University.
Unipod, Mackay University, Innovation Pod. Shout out. It's, if anyone wants to innovate anything, come here. This is the place for you. It's your boy Ian Kakoza
No Ajira as usual.
and our guest
Against a good
who
friend.
might come back for next episode.
I'll come back after I've made it.
We have other topics. You can come. It's in Ara.
R5, I'll always be here. I'll always
Let's
be
say
here.
about the what? The word. We are
Yes.
not only
Average Ugandans.
average Ugandans
Giving their say.
about the
anything.
world.
Who is an average Ugandan? I'm not
We are
an average
average-
Ugandan.
Yeah.
You
Yes,
are.
I'm a super Ugandan. I'm a super Ugandan.
Okay.
I'm an
I
extraordinary
should start
Ugandan.
with this. I should start with
Yes, I'm a super Ugandan.
Super
Yes, I'm not
Ugandan.
average. Yes.
Okay, you're not
Okay.
average.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
we say it out. Okay,
Yeah, that's
Thank you, Angel.
all right.
Did you
Wow.
do